This is the Crosman 1322. I wanted to do some testing today and see what all the rage is about for these cheap multi-pump air guns. I wanted to mainly test two things today: the trigger pull and how much velocity you gain for each pump, starting off at 3 pumps and going to 10. The trigger pull on this is pretty great compared to some of the others I've tried, averaging right around the mid 5-pound mark. And there is a simple spring replacement I've seen, dropping it by about another pound. But all in all, I think it's fine.
5.6.
So I wanted to test the velocity gain after I tried this with the Umarex strike point. So here I go pumping away, starting at 3 pumps. Off the bat, it starts at 201 and slowly builds from there. Here I'm having that classic loading problem where it sticks on the bolt. But I have found a remedy for that. I will show you later on in another video. So it seems like the sweet spot is right about 8 pumps. After that it kind of tops out and you don't gain much. But I'm happy about that because it did start to get pretty stiff towards the end of the pump. So that wraps up this testing session. I am very pleased with this pistol and have now debated picking up the .177 version as well. The build quality is pretty solid and there are tons of modifications available. I have some things coming from Buck Rail to try out next, as well as lots of different pellets to test some accuracy. Thanks for sticking around. I will see you on the next video where we will test out some of those modifications.